Google just dropped Nano Banana, their Photoshop killer, and almost nobody's talking about it. I typed, put me in Tokyo at sunset, and neon signs reflecting in my glasses. The lighting on my face matches the city around me. This isn't Photoshop, it's Google's new AI, just released, and barely anyone knows it exists. Google calls it Nano Banana, aka Gemini 2.5 flash image. Almost no coverage, but the few people who tried it, they raved about it. Ranked #1, above Midjourney, above everything. So I thought, alright, let's see if it's really that good. Because honestly, I'm tired of spending hours in Photoshop. If this works like they say, it changes everything. So let's test it. I had this photo from a work event, but I wanted a shot with the keynote speaker. So I asked, add Sam Altman standing next to me, natural lighting, natural positioning. And then, wow, his height, perfect. Lighting matches the room. Even the pose feels real. If I posted this, people would believe it. Next, online shopping. I screenshot a jacket, dropped it in. It looks like I tried it on. The fabric actually drapes on my body. This could change shopping completely. Okay, let's push it. Interior design, my friend just moved. I typed, make this a cozy Scandinavian living room, warm lighting, plants. The result, it looks like a magazine photo. Shadows, textures, lighting, light, everything lines up. Then I tried something personal. What if I could see myself in the 80s? New hair, new clothes, even a vintage photo look, not just a filter, the whole vibe of that era. But the moment that hit me, this one. I uploaded a black and white photo of my grandfather. I've always wondered what he looked like in color. So I typed restore and colorize, natural skin tones, accurate clothing colors. When I saw it, oh my God, he looked alive. Skin tones, natural, uniform, accurate. This is the first time I've ever seen my grandfather in color. And if you want to try it, super easy. Download the Gemini app. Upload a photo, type what you want. So here's my take. It won't replace pros, but for everyday photos, total game changer. And here's the wild part, almost nobody knows it exists. It just launched. Most people have no clue. So try it, show me what you make. I'm genuinely curious. And hey, if this was helpful, subscribe for more AI tools that actually matter. Most don't, but this one definitely does.